Narayanyam, Dashakam number 3, Shloka number 8. प्रभूताधिव्याधि प्रसभचलिते मामकहृदि त्वदीयं तद्रूपं परमरसचिद्रूपमुदीयात् उदञ्चद्रोमाञ्चः गलितबहुहर्षाश्रुनिवहः यथा विस्मर्यासं दुरुपशमपीडापरिभवान्. Agitation is a symptom of uncontrolled pain. It could be physical or it could be mental. Bhattacharya says that his mind is agitated, means he is going through a severe symptom of uncontrolled pain because of his disease. Vyadhi refers to disease, some terminal sickness. Because of the uncontrolled pain which has caused agitation, his mind is restless. I think we all go through this. And it can be extremely concerning to an individual. The mind becomes non-cooperative. You don't feel in control. You don't feel good about anything. All that you want to do is vent it out. You're agitated. But it's very difficult to depend on anyone to vent out feelings at this time. Best would be to avoid, which is easier said than done. Bhattacharya says, Prabhutadhivyadhi, referring to his disease, Prasabha chalite mamaka hridi. So he says his mind is agitated, which is extremely concerning. Twadiyam tadrupam. Okay. Your form, may your form engulf my mind and brain. Why? Paramarasa chidrupam udiyat. Udiyat means to give rise to happiness. How? When your form, Guruvayurappa, fills my mind and heart, I forget all the pain. I forget everything that are related to my body. Udanchadromanchaha. When my mind is drenched in your form and in your thought, that's an experience which will bring tears of joy. So beautifully worded and written by him. Udanchad romanchaha galita bahu harshashru nivahaha. So that experience being with you in my mind will bring tears of happiness, will make me happy, and more importantly, it will make me forget pain and suffering that I am going through, the agitation. Yatha vismaryasam, do something like this, work some magic, and you are capable, you have the potential to work magic on me. Durupashama pida paribhavan, in such a way that all my sufferings, pida refers to sufferings and pain, are eliminated totally. I think Bhattacharya is lingering over his thought of suffering and bodily pain again and again. If we place ourselves in his shoes, I think it must have been extremely difficult for Bhattacharya to focus more on his suffering when he actually wants to devote all his time and energy to Guruvayurappa. प्रभूताधिव्याधि प्रसभचलिते मामकहृदि त्वदीयं तद्रूपं परमरसचिद्रूपमुदीयात् उदञ्चद्रोमाञ्चः गलितबहुहर्षाश्रुनिवहः यथा विस्मर्यासं दुरुपशमपीडापरिभवान्.